Money rarely disappears in one big visible mistake. It quietly leaks away in small automatic payments you barely notice until the total becomes significant. These tiny charges feel harmless on their own, but together they slowly build into a silent monthly drain on your income. Most people do not actually overspend in dramatic ways. They simply forget what is already spending for them in the background. This is not a budgeting problem that needs more tracking. It is an automation problem that needs removal of hidden systems. Today, you perform subscription surgery, a 5-minute audit designed to remove financial noise and recover lost money with almost no effort. Step 1. Open your bank or card statement and look only for repeating payments that happen every month or year. Ignore everything else completely. Step 2. Sort every subscription into 3 simple groups: use often, use sometimes, or forgot it exists entirely. Step 3. Cancel anything you forgot. You are not losing access to something valuable. You are buying clarity and mental space. Every cancellation releases money that was already earned by you, but never actually enjoyed in your real life. Step 4. Add a simple rule. If a subscription is unused for 30 days, it gets removed. No emotional debate and no hesitation. Wealth grows faster when financial decisions become automatic systems instead of emotional reactions made in the moment. Notice what changed after the audit. Your income stayed exactly the same, but the invisible leaks quietly disappeared. This is the beginning of the automatic wealth system, removing friction and waste before trying to increase effort or income. Financial calm does not come from tracking every dollar in detail. It comes from removing what no longer deserves your attention. 5 minutes each month is enough. Cancel the ghosts, keep the money, and let automation build your wealth quietly in the background.